This one was decision making in my business. I I decided to move my websites into the new hosting company, and I didn't know what hosting to choose. So I had two hosting companies in my mind. One was highly recommended, and that one was the most expensive one. And the second one was recommended by good reviews. It's a great company as well, a little bit less expensive. So I'm thinking, well, I could get a little bit less expensive. It's still good. Reviews are great. So it's a good choice. But I knew better. I had to ask divine guidance. So I did. So the first question I made that day is, what if I choose this particular company that is less expensive, good reviews, and what if I go with that company? Immediately, as soon as I asked that question, the two fire trucks, as you can see here, two fire trucks passed by me with full of sirens and lights and all. It was dark and they were really dramatic. And I knew immediately sirens are not good. Fire trucks do not bring you pleasure. Fire trucks attend to the danger or difficult emergency situation or something like that. So this is not a good sign. The answer was clear. No, that's not your choice. And then later on the same day, I asked for the second sign. I said, what if I decide to go to that most expensive one, but it's a good company and it was highly recommended to me by my friend? Well, guess what? Immediately, I was passing a high school and I pass it every day and I never hear it. Suddenly, I heard the most melodious bell that rang only once, and it was so pleasant, so soothing, and so melodious. I was shocked that it came from the school. And the second thing, I've never heard it before. And the third thing, it came right at the time when I asked my question. So I definitely knew it was the answer. This is the one, you go with it. So I did. And by the way, it's always win-win situation. So it will never be lose or win with Divine. So Divine did it so well that the company got a new client. I got a great company. The transition was very smooth. I transferred all my websites myself. They helped. It was great. And then my friend also had a affiliate commission. So win-win for everybody. And that's how Divine operates.